Good evening. My name is Narasimhan. I'm president of the Institute of Company Secretaries of India. Actually, we are celebrating the 51st Foundation Day celebration of the Pune chapter, which is going to be held tomorrow. I come for that purpose. I've been invited for that. Uh, this press meet was organized to highlight the role which a company secretary plays in the environment across the country in various fields. So, coming first to it, the capital market, we play a very important role in the capital market, and I look at that is going to be a major source of avenue for our members in employment and practice. In my discussion with the regulator, they have indicated that the number of professionals which will be needed by 2047 will be in the order of 1,40,000 plus. So that is very important. Therefore, every year we have about approximately 4,000 students passing. In the next 10 years, we need to reach about, we are only 70,000. We need to double this number by 2047. Number one. Now, that is for the purpose of Viksit Bharat. As per the new education policy, the students, apart from the syllabus which they write an examination, if they profess any other, do any course or have any talent with them, they also get recognized for the talent and they are giving credit marks. So for that end in view, we had a meeting with UGC chairman, and they wanted us to do some courses for our students, for their students across all the universities affiliated to them, to have the benefit of credit scores being done obtained by the student. And we have identified some topics where we found we can easily do it, like company law, insolvency, then valuation, then on capital market, SEBI laws, etc. So these are the areas where we intend to cover, because our members are familiar with these and they are adept at handling these, and therefore we want to do it. New syllabus के बारे में हम बताना चाहिए, every 5 years to be up to date with the present dynamics of the world, we have the change in syllabus. अभी हमारे change last year में हुआ था, 2022 में हुआ था. New syllabus has been brought in and last year से examination शुरू हो गई. So up to 5 years continue होगा. इसमें 2 subject हमने नया लाया. One is on EAI, artificial intelligence, which is also taking the center stage now, and the second is on ESG, environment, social governance. That is a very important one. ये जो हम लोग को every industrialist recognizes the fact that whatever he is taking from the environment, he has to give it back, more than double. And in fact, the government is keen. We should be carbon neutral by the year 2030. And for that purpose, everybody is mandated to work on this. And SEBI has mandated all listed companies with more than 1,000 top listed companies to have a BRSR report, Business Responsibility and Sustainability Report, to be given. And there is also a proposal by SEBI to impact assessment of the BRSR. जो funds उन्होंने spend किया था, whether it has got the desirable result. So that audit भी आना चाहिए, that we are also looking at it. Now we have recently signed an MOU on 22nd of February with NISM to conduct an integrated course for the students. अभी students हमारी distant learning में पढ़ते हैं, so at their own leisure time पढ़ेंगे. SEBI का जो NISM is an extended arm of SEBI. They have a huge infrastructure in Patal Ganga. More than 100-acre property है, जिसमें at any point in time more than 500 members or students can be residential and conduct and attend the course. So now we have signed an agreement. It's a 2-year course. Now CS will be completed by those students who are doing their course, registered with the course in NISM, to do the course within a period of 2 years. So, and at the end of first year, they will get a certificate on capital market. So they become employable. So even if they don't complete the course, by virtue of the fact that they've completed a certificate course in capital market, they become employable. At the end of the second year, they have a more stiffer course on capital market. If they complete these 2 courses, they'll be employable in the capital market. And SEBI ने मेरे को clearly बताया, the senior executives, that our number of members will be required is more, and that can happen only. The major reason for India becoming a Viksit Bharat, one of the main reason will be capital market. And already we have seen it was 25,000 index, which was 10 years back, has become 75,000 today. And by I don't know when, but there is also a proposal that India will touch 150. The BSE index will touch 1,50,000 in the next 5 to 6 years. So these are all possibilities we have to work on. And if the government is serious in its proposal, we will achieve the target and we will become number one country in the world, and it will be a great, it will be a big win for all of us, and every citizen of this country should feel very proud about it. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.